open the mouths.
All right, here's some.
I'm like.
Stacey being the axe murderer.
Hi. How are you?
Big, this is my favorite YouTuber right here.
Right here? You're gonna make all the other people jealous.
She always makes us say it's shut her off.
Yeah, she does. She comes to your house and twists your arm up behind your back and stuff. She
That
does.
Ruth, that shut her up. She's mean.
Is she?
Yeah.
What about her? And then there's that Lizzie. You know about her, don't you?
Hi. Yeah, you know about me.
Hey, you know what's exciting? Go take your dog outside to go walking. You're up there by the garage, look up in the window, and someone's sitting on the toilet looking out the window.
And I said, hi.
It's like the kind of conversation we're going to have right here.
Is the window open in there?
Yeah, it is.
I put the shades down sometimes when I'm in there. If there's nobody around, I don't care. But
okay, let's do a preview of the food. This right here is green bean casserole that I made. And this right here is Stacey's famous macaroni and cheese.
That's not my famous, that's just an easy mac and cheese.
Okay, easy mac and cheese. That comes from Stacey, so we'll call it famous. And then here is the squash. What do you call this?
Butternut squash.
Butternut squash, and it's got bacon and butter.
Right over here.
Here comes the humper with the
You're
meats.
on the corner, Dad.
Here.
We're setting meats and hot dogs, and we've got chickens, and
Ooh, lovely.
everybody's got some drinks, and Christian, and where'd the puppy go? Puppy went somewhere else.
Meat.
So, we got food, and over there's
all
meat.
drinking here?
We got drinks.
I didn't get yours. I didn't know what you wanted.
Squash,
I have some cider.
mac and cheese.
I got this.
Okay.
Everybody else is good.
Ruth,
She's got hers.
Ruth, do you have a drink? Yeah, she's got a drink.
Okay.
And over here in the corner, we put him because he's bad. He's a bad boy.
Yeah, no.
And then in the other corner over here is the humper because he's just as bad.
Come up the rear.
There you go. He's getting some cider. And we've got
Downstairs.
buffet.
Look downstairs and drink some cider. See the bed bug jacking off the spider.
Oh, jeez.
And he said that while the video is running. He did. And here's a little bit.
Oh, yeah, I didn't get a little
Pretty. Hi, baby. Oh, yeah, okay.
Hello,
A little bit. Say, get that camera out my face.
Cute.
Now you can say the prayer.